Alright guys, so before we get into the video, I just want to preface it with the fact that we were at an event, we were racing, we were really focusing on doing good, so didn't do a lot of filming. Hard to pick up the camera when you're just kind of in the heat of the moment and trying to get things rolling, and we had a couple problems, so we're just focused on working on that. But I try to do my best to edit it, put some text at the bottom to show you guys what's going on. So I hope you guys like it. Now let's hop into the video. All right, what is up? Saturday morning, we're running late. We don't really care. We're just going down there to have some fun. We got the race truck loaded up behind the white truck, looking pretty gangster. Very clean in there. So we're gonna head down, probably rolling in late. We're gonna see if this thing works or if my midnight thrash just didn't quite make it. All right, we made it down here. 1302 with the one at 109. I think we're ready to go. We got teched in, got tire pressure set, battery was dead, so I pulled the one out of the Power Stroke, so we're good there. So still looking junky, but let's see what it'll do.
At 94 miles an hour per ring.
First pass, we ended up just putting nitrous on it because we were already here, and we went 6.1 at 114 at a 1.4 60 foot, so can't complain about that. But it's just the mile per hour up top, it's really not any different than it was even with this new head. I don't know if we're turbo limited or what, but we're gonna keep dialing it in, and if we can run that speed all day, we should be doing okay. Was in the finals. There's only 3 people in the class, but whatever. Went against Rick and his Duramax Chevelle. That thing is no slouch, man. He ended up getting me. He went 597 to my 6'1". These guys are about to do a burnout. Freaking, yeah, super cool, dude. Very cool. Wow. That's a show of horsepower right there. But we getting out of here. So I'll catch you guys on the next one.